Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Cadillac Escalade Platinum featured in black raven with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, wireless phone charging, hands-free power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, surround vision, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, cup holder down below, and our main Bose speaker. Moving on to the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating, lumbar, and massaging seats. Hopping inside, just to the left, you'll find the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert, and to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Taking a look at our infotainment system, starting off with the radio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can check out the navigation here. Here's the map. Below that we have our climate control with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger. We have some storage here with 2 cup holders, 2 USBs as well. And on the center console we have our wireless charger. Opening that up, it's actually a cooled center console, so you can put ice drinks in there, keep them cool throughout the summer. We also have a 12 volt here, 2 USBs there. Up top is the rear view mirror, OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, and the universal garage opener, as well as our power liftgate controls and power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and chrome door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, there's some Escalade and Cadillac badging. To open it up, you can either double click on the key fob or just click that right there. It's going to pop open. In the back here, you'll notice just to the right we have some power controls. Those are to drop the second and third row seats all the way down, making a ton of extra storage space. We also have some hidden storage below, and we can close it up here by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder up top as well as down below. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left we have the manual seating adjustments, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear vents, as well as 2 USBs and an HDMI. Those HDMIs will also connect to the rear entertainment screens on the back of each seat. We have some extra storage here. And down at the bottom we have a 12 volt with a 3-prong outlet as well. Top we have the handles, vents up at the top here. We have another entertainment screen in the middle with 2 dome lights. Vents on the other side matched, as well as the handles. In the third row of seats we have dome lights at the top, vents as well, cup holders on either side too. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.